Working with DAZ Studio 3D content and have a DC7 compressed file to load. These contain compressed scene or asset data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these DAZ Studio compressed files. I call this the last resort solution for those DC7 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. DC7 files are compressed data files used by DAZ Studio, a 3D figure posing animation and rendering application by DAZ 3D. They contain compressed scene files, character morphs, textures, or other 3D asset data, optimized for storage efficiency within the DAZ 3D content delivery and management ecosystem. DAZ Studio DC7 files use a compression format applied to standard DAZ asset files. The format wraps DAZ Studio scene files or asset data with compression metadata, enabling smaller file sizes for distribution. DAZ Studio decompresses these files transparently when loading content into the 3D scene environment. For full compatibility with DC7, use the proprietary DAZ Studio developed by DAZ 3D. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows may show only basic details, so full examination still requires dedicated 3D modeling software. We are checking the software list for a compatible opener. Right-click your DC7 file and select Open With. If DAZ Studio is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every possible application. If your DC7 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the DC7 format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, opening in DAZ Studio. Launch DAZ Studio from daz3d.com and use File then Open, or drag the DC7 file into the application. DAZ Studio detects the compressed format and decompresses the content loading scenes, characters, or assets into your project. Install DAZ Studio for free from the DAZ 3D website if you do not have it. Next, installing as content. For DC7 files distributed as DAZ content, use DAZ Install Manager to add the file to your DAZ content library. The installer extracts and registers the asset for use across your DAZ Studio projects. This is the standard workflow for DAZ distributed character morphs, textures, and scene presets. Finally, contacting DAZ Support. If DC7 files fail to open or appear corrupted, contact DAZ 3D Support at daz3d.com. Their team can verify file integrity, provide reinstallation links for purchased content, or explain compatibility requirements for older DC7 files with current DAZ Studio versions and content management systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.